Hi all, welcome to Inquisitive Impressions A to Z series. This A to Z series of videos would have a short commentary and a concluding poetry on different topics. These are just my views and hope they in some way would kindle your minds and spur your thoughts. We all go through changes, some situations which are unprecedented, unplanned, and these looks like turns in our life which goes zigzag, dragging us along with it. Things look strange, visions blurred, our minds are confused and scattered, and the heart churns and seeks clarity and answers. You seem aware, but you need support to solve the problem in hand. You need that safety coat in your life that can safeguard you. That COAT coat is your belief. What are the layers of this coat? The first layer is confidence. Confidence clears your mind and makes you comfortable that you are indeed going in the right path. It instills in you the thinking that this grief is brief and soon you will sight relief. With this confidence, you lay your second coat, which is your opinion. You layer a viewpoint with the confidence that it would turn to be a fact. These opinions become all the more important when situations are unplanned, because there is no verifiable fact for you to reflect, and hence you have to now reflect on your experience, the assessments, and just go for it. With confidence and opinion comes the third important layer, acceptance. You start accepting the situation. You go towards it and not run away in the opposite direction. This internal approval enables you to go with your opinions with confidence, be it on yourself or people around you. And last, but the most important layer that gets exposed outside is trust. It gives you the strength to encounter the truth. It gives you faith and it gives you hope. It provides you the ability to gauge the extent to which your reliance needs to be on someone or something. So confidence, opinion, acceptance, trust are the coat, and together it defines your belief. Belief that you would take the right decisions, turn on a new leaf while going through any situation or relationship, and more importantly, be a chief of your own life. When situations change, life takes unplanned turns. Things look strange, mind scattered, heart churns. Believe on your belief for it to give you the relief, to get you out of the grief and help turn a new leaf. As belief provides you confidence, it instills in you deep trust. With clear opinions and acceptance, your decisions turn out the best.